Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I will show you how you can fix any shaky videos very easily. So without any further more delay, let's begin. First of all, open any web browser and go to this website www.subtexia.com. I'll be providing the download link too in the video description. So you can click on the download link too and log into this website, and once you log into this website you can see its web page, and you need to scroll down below this web page and you can see here download Windows Live Movie Maker. Just download it and install it, and once you download and install it, open or run it. So you can see the software user interface. So what you need to do to fix the shaky videos. So before proceeding further, let me show you the video, which is a shaky one. You can see this is a shaky videos. So we'll try to fix this kind of shaky videos. As you can see here, it's the video is a shaky one. So we'll try to fix it using this software. So what you need to do, say you need to just drag your respective video here. Wait for a few seconds. As you can see below, the green line is being loading, that is it's processing right now. Just wait for a few seconds until it's completed. So it's completed loading your respective videos. So what you need to do to fix the shaky part of your video is it's very simple. So for this, where you need to go is you need to go to this edit section. After going to the edit section, you can see here video stabilizations. Just tap on it and you can see here anti-shake. You can choose the anti-shake and oval correction in low or high, but I will be choosing the default anti-shake. So just click on it. It's processing. Wait for a few seconds. As you can see, the green line is started to proceed. So until it gets completed, wait for a few seconds. So it's finally get completed. We'll try to play and check how's the video shaking right now. As you can see, the shakiness has reduced a lot and it's much pleasant to watch compared to the earlier videos. So we'll try to play the original video, which is having a very shaky part. We'll see here. As you can see, it's very shaky. Well, I will try to play from the first. As you can see, the shakiness is heavy here, so we'll try to play this one, which is being stabilized using the software. So we'll try to play. So you can see the shakiness. It's very pleasant now. So it is much more stable than compared to the original video. So once you are done, what you need to do to save this file, you need to go to the file. Then here you can save the movie, as depending upon needs. You can save it in the high definition, that is the full HD video, or if you want to save for a computer, then you can save it in low resolutions, but I would highly recommend to go for high definition display. So just tap on it and you can give the file name like depending upon your needs. So I'm renaming here like testing, and I will click on save. Wait for a few seconds until the processing gets completed. So finally it's completed. Now you can see that the pop-up message has been displayed. You can play and check, and you can go to the folder where it is saved. So we'll go directly to the folder and we'll try to play this video and we'll try to check. Now you can see the shakiness of this video has reduced a lot, and you can see the video quality has been retained like the original one. Just the shakiness part has been fixed a lot compared to the earlier, which is very shaky one. So in my opinion, you should definitely try this software to fix such shaky videos which are being recorded mostly with those smartphones. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.